Guys, we have a very big announcement today, as you can see from the title of this video. But before I show you guys, I want to just say thank you for your support, just watching our videos, and especially, you know, buying our merch, supporting our 5-3 brand. Because of that, and because of you guys constantly just giving us your love and support, and keeping up with our lives, we have been able to do this next huge step, which we very much needed. But we, Victoria and I, at the age of 24, now own a house. And today is going to be all about that. I want to show you guys around the house and, yeah, just do a tribute to you guys, just to say thank you. This is unbelievable. I can't wait to show you guys. It's so good. Hey, you got to make sure you grab your Valentine's Day present. Valentine's Day for married people, be like, let's buy stuff for the house that's cool, that we'll cook with. Grab your stuff. Let's open the house.
Oh, that's heavy.
So this is our place, and I'll show you guys a little bit. Oh, can't give away too much. Let's get our keys. There it is. Actually worked this time.
Nice front shot.
Yeah. Babe, these are ours. These are our keys to our home. I got unlocked everything. Boys, this is our new crib. Hello! Echo! So, the big reason we moved back to Texas in the first place was because we wanted a house. And that fell through last year, but we worked really hard this year, and God is good. And we have been provided this this opportunity to buy a house. And this place is dope. I can't wait to show you. I guess I'm just gonna go through every room and we're gonna kind of explain what's up. I know, this is huge. The fact, like, I did not ever think that we would have a house at 20-something years old. I would be like, 30, something. This is crazy. So, look at these windows. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and just start from here. Here's the living room. I want to show you guys something, actually. Oh, that's a pretty cool fireplace, yeah? I wish it would turn on. Like, how can we get some flames up in this? Oh, maybe just go ahead and touch that, and then... Oh, yeah! Oh, that's so cool. There's a lot of neat things we can show you guys. So, we literally just signed this morning, so we now own this place. But here's gonna be our living area. It's gonna be dope. Gotta get the Xbox and the TV and stuff set up there, and you have this. This is actually one of my favorite views in the house. Like, you have these really beautiful windows here to kind of illuminate the living room, and I love the openness. We were pretty picky on how we wanted to get our house. Like, we wanted something super open, you know, if we have a family. Like, we plan on raising a family in this place.
Kids, dinner time.
Hey, not yet. Got more cars to build. We also love cooking. So a kitchen also with great lighting and stuff was super important to us. We have this beautiful, huge island that we can kind of chop some stuff up. Yeah, if you guys don't know, like, we are huge into cooking. So we got this, I don't know, we have actual, like, every single place, these apartments we've lived in have had these awful electric burners that have been like...
You know those coils that are never level?
Yeah, so like for the first time we are now gonna be able to cook on like just good stuff, man. Like, it's been a struggle. It's been such a huge struggle. And we have space to cook. Like, we can listen to music in this big room, and we got a fridge coming, so we can't really live out of here just yet. You want to unbox your first housewarming gift? So yeah, like I said, we love cooking. We are huge into it. So the kitchen was very important, and this food processor was like one of the last things that we wanted. I know not really much of this video has to do with cars, but this whole channel is about mine and Victoria's lives. So just to keep you guys up, I do have a good garage situation though, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. Look how big and beautiful this sink is. It's like, all that nice water. I'm giddy and I'm happy. So we have this dining room right here, which is not, nothing's turned on. Yeah. I love the mirrors, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty. Anyway, so this is where you walk in. Like, this is the front of the house. So we're gonna walk in. I'm gonna have like my office right here, just a really super open office, and I can work there, be in front of the house. And then through here, actually, let me show you guys the bedroom. The bedroom is the dopest part in the house. You have fun setting that up now. The bedroom is awesome. The size of the bedroom is pretty sick. It's about as big as our apartment, or it's as big as our apartment's one. We have a pretty big one in our apartment right now. But we have this beautiful, this is our place. We could sleep right here if we wanted to, right now and tonight.
Probably wouldn't be comfortable.
No. So this is cool. Now look at this bathroom. Look at this freaking bathroom. So can't wait to take a nice dump right there. This got Victoria's little side right here. My sink right here. Got this bathtub, this awesome shower. I love it. So this guy, we bought this, a guy bought this and renovated the whole thing. So super, super awesome. And a huge closet for so many car parts. Right, babe?
Yeah, no.
No. Just so excited about this. And then we got like a little linens closet. Y'all don't need to see that because it's just a little teeny closet. And then we have an upstairs as well. The upstairs is tight. It's really open. See people walking up and down. It's super easy to communicate up and down stairs. Oh yeah, there's one room. There's one more room down here. It's like, I think this is gonna be the 5'3" room. So this is another big reason why we needed a house. Is we need more space for 5'3". Like this could be a great merch room for a while. Like we can have a little desk for Victoria, set some stuff, have whatever just decorated in there and the built-in. But the garage is that way. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Let's go upstairs. So here you go. Crazy cool view. I love it. You just go upstairs. There's 2 more bedrooms up here. Got 1 and then 2. And I think, yes, we got this nice little bathroom right here. It's just a... And then I think what I'm going to do is set up the internet and have the Wi-Fi, the modem right here. I'm going to set up a gaming setup right here so I can stream up here. I'll have my PC set up and all that kind of stuff. And let me tell you guys what, I have not been able to stream on Twitch in a very long time.
A year.
Over a year. And I miss it. I really miss it. Gaming is actually huge to me. Like if I'm not working or spending time with Victoria, I'm gaming. And it's awesome. So that is the house part. I guess that's not really like, show you guys the backyard. So we have a little yard. This is the only thing that we were like kind of hesitant about with the house, but it's super easy because I'm very good at landscaping. My dad used to literally professionally landscape, so I got some good help there. But this backyard's beautiful. It's got a couple draining issues, so I love this little patio. We'll have some stuff out here, and Clutch finally, Clutch has never had a yard to play in, poop in, explore. So I'm very stoked about it, but yeah, we got a little bit of drainage issue right there. We'll fix that, and you need to get a lawnmower stat. We got gas directly to the house. We can have a grill right here, connected directly to the gas line. We can grill some food. Can't wait to have so many fun parties with our friends out here. I mean, this dude landscaped this pretty decently as well. We'd actually love to get a privacy fence for sure, but one thing at a time. I think the biggest thing for us was we wanted a house that was move-in ready. We love renovating stuff, like we're like Chip and Joanna Gaines type thing, but we don't have time for that right now.
I'm so proud you know your names.
Me? Of course I do. Now, I'm sure the moment you guys have all been waiting for, I'll show you guys the garage. My favorite part. This was actually the biggest thing on the house. Well, dark. Ooh, what is this? Epoxied floors already? So my biggest condition with the house was it had to be big enough to hold at least 6 cars. So with that being said, it also needed to be tall enough to hold a lift. With that being said, our buddies over at Bend Pack, you can go ahead and open the garage if you want. Our friends over at Bend Pack are going to be giving us a visit very soon. So this is our, this is a 3-car. We wanted a 4, but it was, dude, like 4-car garages in our town and area, or just like the houses were like 4,000 square feet, and we just didn't want a huge house. This is about as big as we wanted to get. So this is our 10.5-foot ceiling, 3-car garage with so much space. I can envision now Victoria's car goes there, Evo goes here, Skyline goes here, SC300 goes there. Actually, SC300 probably goes there because it leaks oil, so Skyline will be up there, and then Z will probably just, I don't know. I love it. We got plenty of room for like neighbors or friends to come over and park, and it's awesome. I can park a car here if I need to, so it might still be a little crowded, but this is one hell of a difference. One hell of a difference from a little 2-car apartment. I gotta let you guys know I'm so thankful for you guys. This is absolutely insane that this is our house. Like, we own this place. We own land. I went to school for finance, and investments is like super important to me, and I just think that I've always wanted to own land. I think it's so important to do that, to make that step in life, and the fact that we were able to do that so early is just beyond incredible. It's a miracle. It's a blessing. Guys, I'm so excited to outfit this garage, and document that sort of stuff, but also like just to move on. I mean, this is a huge step in life, to where we have we can start a family. That's something that's very important to us. I'll have good enough internet again to stream. Like, it's awesome. It feels like it's been a long time coming. We've had a lot of really crappy situations in the past year and a half, and it's been a really long first year and a half of marriage for both of us. But it's just really humbling, and it's really awesome, and I can't express enough how thankful both of us are. It's really unbelievable, the fact that I don't even know. I'm kind of speechless. I'm getting chills thinking about it. Like, so many people growing up told me that I wouldn't amount to things, that I was too dumb. I wouldn't pass, wouldn't make it through college, and I have a degree, have a great job. I love what I do. I have a beautiful wife, and now I own a house. And I'm not trying to like do this humble flex type thing. Like, I'm really just genuinely stoked. I don't even know. My hope is to bless others with this house and continue to bless your lives through, the things that I read, through the things that I know. Like you guys have probably noticed over the past few months, I have given you guys daily advice at the end of each video. And that's really important to me, because I think my job here is more than just entertaining you guys with building cars. I would say my job is definitely here on earth way more important than that. I'm hoping to continue to do that through this house. But what are you smiling about? You just happy? This is crazy.
I think that's a big...
This is awesome. This is a whole new beginning for us. I mean, I have built all of my cars, like this Evo. I built this thing in a dinky little 2-car with a, thankfully I still have that bend packed lift, but like I've been laying down on my back, and this will be the first time I will have the opportunity to do more than that. I will have the opportunity to build cars standing up and to a good spec. I don't know. One thing I think is really cool, if I really want to, and I definitely don't, but someday we have the option, if we want to, this garage is so tall. Like, if I had to, I could knock out part of the ceiling and just make it a super, super tall garage. And maybe even have like a little loft up there, and have like a little gaming loft up for it. And then we actually have a door into the house from there, if we did that. I don't know, I think that'd be kind of cool. I'm just talking out loud now.
Let's enjoy the house first.
I guess one thing I want to tell you today is, doesn't really have anything to do with the house, but if you listen to what other people have to say about you enough, you might forget who you actually are. So make sure that take criticism and, input lightly, but seriously. Don't lose yourself. It's super important. We're gonna enjoy some more of the house, but thank you guys for doing a little tour with us. This is awesome. I love you guys so much, more than you know. Peace. I got 2 videos for you, boys. Right there, you can click on one of them, click on both of them, I don't care, but make sure all you do is keep watching Evan Shanks' channel, because it's so good. I'm gonna go explore my house now. Bye.